Hello homebrewers and welcome to my channel. So on Saturday we reached 1,000 subscribers. It is more now. I think it's 1,014 last time I checked. But we reached the 1,000 subscriber mark, which I think is pretty huge. So to celebrate, I'm gonna have myself a pint and I'm gonna drink it because I can, and I don't normally do that. Normally I'm doing a video of some description. Oh yeah. So for those that don't know, this was my Simply Improved beer kit. Oh, it smells super malty. So I'm just gonna pour myself the most awkward pint ever made. I get to put this in the fridge because I like my beer cold. So I'm going to sit here and I'm going to enjoy my pint. Cheers! So he's drinking a pint, so he's not going to say a lot, but I am. So I really want to thank all of my subscribers. You guys are amazing. I mean, 1,000, actually over 1,000, it's 1,014, but 1,000 subscribers is still a pretty large amount. And I don't know what it is, I don't know why, but at the same time I'm really hoping that you enjoy the videos, and I enjoy making the videos and experimenting, having a bit of fun. So I'm going to continue to be the irritating homebrewer to other homebrewers that I've always been, and of course we're going to try and get bigger and better, do more videos and have a lot more fun. So I really want to thank all you guys because, well, without you guys, I would be making boring homebrew, not on YouTube. So thanks for that. It means a lot. It really does. I'm not very good at this. So I actually have a Patreon. I wasn't going to mention it, but I actually got my first patron today, which is pretty amazing in itself. Sort of like it all comes at one big bundle of awesomeness. So I want to thank him as well on YouTube, but I'll also be thanking on Patreon with some behind the scenes stuff, and of course like little messing about, and some of the outtakes and behind the scenes of what I'm up to. So I just wanted to put that in there so everyone knows. So thanks guys, I mean it is amazing, and I just keep saying amazing, so I'm
That was a good pint.
Gassy, but really tasty. So I just want to say one more time, thank you guys. It is amazing to reach the 1,000 subscriber mark. And let's see where it goes. I mean, who knows? So thank you very much guys. It is awesome. And I will see you in the next video. So I'm going to drink some beer, edit some videos, and hopefully it will turn out okay. Maybe. Carry on homebrewing guys. See you later.